researcher, supporter of the union activities to you on this day, the 18th of July, 2024. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lord.
May I also invite Dr. Osondo Obisike to receive this award on behalf of Dr. Williams. On behalf of the academic staff union of Polytechnics, River State College of Contractor, I present this award of honor to Dr. Williams Iyama for your outstanding academic contributions to this very chapter of this great union. You have been a mentor, a resource mobilizer,